Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to export all your saved passwords from Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is useful if you are switching to another browser, creating a backup or moving to a new PC. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select settings. From the left pane, click the autofill and passwords. After that, click on Google Password Manager. Next, click the settings icon in the left sidebar. If you don't see the sidebar, click the menu button in the top left corner to expand it. Now click the settings. Now you will find export passwords option. Click the download file button beside it. Windows security will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your Windows PIN, password or fingerprint to continue. Choose the folder where you want to save the file. Give it a name and click the save button. That's it. Your saved passwords have been exported as a CSV file. Keep in mind that this file contains all your usernames and passwords in plain text. Store it in a secure location. Don't share it with anyone and delete it when you no longer need it. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.